sustainable development. In many parts of the world, including our own country, Ghana, the canker has devastated families, broken communities, and shattered the hopes and ambitions of generations. Nonetheless, it is a challenge that we can overcome together should we heed the call. I wish to commend the tireless efforts of all stakeholders, our health workers, educators, law enforcement agencies, youth groups, and traditional authorities who continue to stand at the front line of prevention, recovery, and law enforcement operations. It is my fervent wish that the occasion of World Drug Day will remind us to say no to illicit drugs at all times. It will remind us and all stakeholders, especially those who
Ebra na Euro Santa Hene Sabioson Sabianya do Boja Cassie Ede Eshia Ninua Precope Eswatini Ehene Ewo Sabi Ejabremo Menshefika Semuno na Sabre na Sosono na Odeneho Kwafo Akoto so emiensa Akwamu Ehene ene Omampania bedi echire Professor Jenna na Opoku Ajamai ene Narcotic Control Board ene empenyufo asebi omukebi ewo mu ene kwanpo mbefa so ama enumbone ne red no mu asese essay mebuno no ombehu kwanpa won ede ebefa so wodwumadi na se no wode no ho kwafo akoto so emiensa ebepie ase na wo bana ne nantese ne se binensem wode na nyina eyitia oman ne nsama wo kano no wo kire se wo man no edache ene enkodai na se kwakoba se ye jan kwada ne se ya ne ahwe omu se ya mo makoso no mnubone no kane na de ne yenimu no eye se bebronsam tawa ene powder na eka ho ne bi no eno na kire no so se de aba befre mu no eye red de omo no manu aye se tentan ebi o ho so a de omo twetwe de ko omo hwidi mu no na sa kwakofa ya de akese ne de abre wo mu eno nti se ye won nyina ansode nananom nso so ene ne omo adehye ne omo nanano ene omo nananom ene tete sebi wo mu nkrotua na wo mu nkropo ahodo nyina mu eno nti de ekoso nyina no wo ene tua ene nananom so asede ene o mamu ne nyina asede so ombe ye bibi nso so de afa ho sede be ya enkwada no ombenya nkwada ne nyinara ama Ghana maimu no my Ghana so ye yi de ne ye dache na so etimi ayefe na sede ya na da ya na se wode no ho kwafo akoto so emiensa akwamu ehene eba be kasa sede ya na chiame panyini wodi kan sane mrane ekire ne bobre ekire ne dua na su ekire achade pa wotwede mponyankopon ede na acha won ewo akwamu mamu no wosane mrane ansa na sebi wode ne ho ede na no desem etudwa na wo wieye no ene wo hye wo nyina abose wo ba no sebi wa ma ne sansa akwa oba ne se oba ba betufo na afenso so wasa aboa ama na monwa Narcotic Control Board ene empanyina sebi wo matu ho asi wo so mo hwa manubone ase atu afiri wo mamu no so wode aboa eno nti wode ne ho eyi asase ekama koma wo ha ene wode ama sebi adwumaku no se wo mfansi atenaya omo de be rehabilitation center omo ede beboa enkwada omo do mbe fantetie mu ama sebi sa haw ene niema ni agobone omo do omo akohye mu no nyina so ebetimi efri ho eno nti de ye kan se ode no ho wonkwaso akomuman enkwaso mumyenkotie ebra na mumyenkohwe bra na ode no ho ba be kasa chiame eje na baba na no desem ene de wode ebo adwumadi no mumyenkotie mra
ya de nyasda apato ko ante ko ambombo oprekese janye du ko na nanomano Mupu efikrutia na mo pam eje fiemu. Ebisa munsu amansa. Kwa me nkroma man kwa me tuapem na nanu wote wana nkebra sefo. Abranza medu katawre manananu. Api adankwa de sekronkrom ma musisi kwa brefo chawo na momanta mo pete ku odiem. Bamba me kura mbonga danse kwa de sekronko no sini a ontumi no dio na nka bokachi. Etwi ni entwo ngade akurubutu nyankomago. Mo na moso atasu dewia. Na nto ne dwa manfo janne mama batafo bia bidi dia nudwo. Wokeka amerete. Mete no sompa. Mete na yemye. Mete no bia ba yoba. Kwafo Akoto yi. Bosom twebere mbomba ye bodin a ye ntoso. Wona ye kokun ba bia ye kika ma ote. Ochira hene. Ochira brembom. Ochire katachi ma himba da ngitia. Dua na wura atwa nya blade wo. Wona wo sipo wuti se twatwa ni japam na nso enye bibi ni Akoto. Na no ochire kwaku nsafo aje ni nsem nsafo atwa go wo nsafo atwa so bi ense bibi. Aje ntetlechi ama bobrim. Opumpuni awro ka afa meti. Abuwa kesi ya wutu esu ofuro ma wore fo na nso hunyi di amfo. Okutwa esu be ma wo so apon ni akabonam. Permit me to call you the son of the flame that sparks of trouble. You are the divine drummer of the mighty one who hails from time immemorial. Who will say upon this day he is the Tolampoma, the drummer? You are the one whose name befits your fame. You are sought before decisions are taken. My Lord, before you advance, first look behind you. For the road seems crooked. Very, very crooked. If you have saved me, to save the nation, your manke tiasan and pens are brent tia, Nipuko Tiarim, while some tia being water to an end, and what the Godam could tell you, tea. O manka could you say? It's a mountain warrior on Santa. A mountain water bouquet. If you know so, I'm red, I'm when near process of your before to. Now she had told you why you run. What I want, or man's to casa.
Chairman Sherman, thank you for always uplifting my spirit. Thank you so much. Her Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Professor Nana Opoku Ajiman, our special guest of honor for the occasion. Honorable Mama Yariga, Majority Leader, the Honorable Minister for Interior, Alhaji Muntaka Mohammed Mubarak, Honorable Ministers of State present here, the United Nations Resident Coordinator for Ghana, His Excellency Charles Abani, members of the Diplomatic Corps, the Chairman of the Governing Board of the Narcotics Control Commission, COP Bright Odro, retired, the Acting Director General of the Narcotics Control Commission, Brigadier General Maxwell Obubamante, heads of agencies present here, members of Parliament present, Nananom, Nime, Name, international partners, representatives of civil society organizations, directors and staff of the Narcotics Control Commission, distinguished students, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, all other protocols duly observed. Good morning. It is a great privilege to be present with you in commemorating this year's International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, well known as World Drug Day, a day set aside globally to raise awareness on the havoc wrought by illicit drugs to our health, families, society, and our future. Our gathering here today is not to be seen as mere social event, but a clarion call to action against the untold misfortunes that illicit drugs have continually inflicted on societies worldwide. It is a call to strengthen our collective resolve to prevent drug abuse and protect our communities, especially our young people, from the grip of drug abuse and addiction. Just like the menace of illegal mining, Galamsey, drug abuse poses a public health issue, a security threat, and an obstacle to sustainable development. In many parts of the world, including our own country, Ghana, the canker has devastated families, broken communities, and shattered the hopes and ambitions of generations. Nonetheless, it is a challenge that we can overcome together should we heed the call. I wish to commend the tireless efforts of all stakeholders, our health workers, educators, law enforcement agencies, youth groups, and traditional authorities who continue to stand at the front line of prevention, recovery, and law enforcement operations. It is my fervent wish that the occasion of World Drug Day will remind us to say no to illicit drugs at all times. It will remind us and all stakeholders, especially those in responsible positions and authorities, that prevention is not just about saying no. It is about creating alternatives. It is about education, opportunity, support systems, and stronger partnership to nurture a society in which our people would feel valued, heard, and empowered. On my part, as the Akoto name, and that of my people, we have allocated about 100 acres of land to enable the Narcotics Control Commission to establish a training school at Akoto. To train their personnel and other professionals in the fight and control of narcotics in Ghana and beyond. As we proceed with today's program, let us reaffirm our commitment to a drug-free society. Let us not only speak boldly today, but act boldly every day that follows. Ladies and gentlemen, our special guest, on this note, I wholeheartedly accept the responsibility to chair this memorable occasion. Thank you, and may this commemorative day energize us all for the sake and task ahead. Thank you very much.
Akwamu ehene die sabie so sabie nyado dwumadi ekoso ewo enkran ebra na ken so ken Eswatini hene ewo Kumasi no na yenso so yede ababesom no kai so be subscribe no ahya ma foforo nso so enya bi ahye makramo